Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use multiple quantity with the new capacity steps and resource capacity features in BookingPress. Go to the BookingPress services page. This is the BookingPress Manage Services page, where you can see the list of services. Edit an existing service or add a new one. This is the service page, where you can update your service details. The second section is multiple quantity settings. This feature allows you to set minimum and maximum capacity along with the new capacity steps option. Here, the minimum capacity is 1 and the maximum capacity is 10. If you enter 2 in capacity steps, the quantity will increase by 2 each time. So the available options will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now click the Save button to save the changes. The changes have been saved successfully. Now go to the Frontend booking page. Select the Hatha Yoga service and check the number of persons. Now go back to the back end and edit the service again. Enable the Resource Capacity option. Resource Capacity scales your total availability. For example, if the max capacity is 10 and the resource capacity is 5, then the total available slots will be 10 times 5 equals 50. The changes have been saved successfully. Now go to the front end and refresh the page. Select the category, service and number of persons. Here you can see options like 1, 3 and 5 persons. Since the resource capacity is 5, select an option and click Next. Select a staff member. Select a date and time. Each time slot has 50 available slots because resource capacity is multiplied by max capacity. The service charge remains the same regardless of the number of persons selected. For example, it stays $20 whether 1 or up to 5 persons are booked. Select the payment gateway and click the Book Appointment button. The appointment has been booked successfully. Now book another appointment. Select the same service, staff and date. You can see that the 9 to 10 time slot now has 45 available spots, as 5 slots have already been booked.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.